everyone, what's going on? It's Rachel. I'm back with another video. So today I'm not doing so much a try on like I do with my BoxyCharm, but we are unboxing the Ipsy November Glam Bag Plus. So this is $25 a month and you get five to six full size or like deluxe size items. So let's just hop right into it. First thing on here are SL Miss Glam Eyeshadow Brush Trio, valued at $45. I can appreciate that packaging. This brush got a little messed up, I think, just from being in that sort of packaging, but you have a nice flat brush, an angled brush, and a very small like blending brush. These are the three. Yeah, they're listed on there. An eyeshadow, eye angle shading, and eye blending. So that is the first item. They're cute. They feel nice. They don't feel like crappy, but I think the packaging kind of messed them up because you can see on this one, I don't know if you really can see it, but some of the hairs are like frayed and stuff. And same with this one on the outside tip. But it's alright. The next product, oh, I'm so happy. This is the Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Ironically, during my VIB sale, I got a size of this as well because I was like, ooh, I'm running low. So now I got another one. I really like it. I like the smell. It's not overpowering. It's really moisturizing. I'm really happy to have this, and it's valued at $20. The next thing, I'm going to be honest, never going to use. This is a foiled Makeup Geek lip gloss. This is in Drum Roll. I'm going to just swatch it on the back of my hand. The packaging's really cute though. But it's a purple gloss, maybe for like a Halloween look or something, but it's definitely pigmented, don't get me wrong. See it? But color wise, I'm never gonna use it. This is valued at $12. So like I said, it's okay, but I will never use it. The next thing is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm. It's really nice. It's just standard applicator, but like when you put it on, come on. Oh, great. You gonna come out? Don't know what's going on, but my product won't. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Alright. But yeah, when you put it on the skin, it has a nice cooling effect and it feels really nice. And it just blends out. This one is valued at $42, but I actually really do like this. And then the last product is the IT Cosmetics Naturally Pretty Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is valued at $42. This is volume 1. Ooh, I like the soft touch packaging. It's really nice. This is what it looks like. I like the rose gold font. Like I said, it feels really nice. I like that a lot. So these are what the shadows look like. I'm trying to, there we go. They're a little lackluster for me. Let me just feel them. Ooh, they feel really creamy though. I'll swatch a few for you. There are a few swatched. Oh, did that really bad. There are a few swatched. They feel nice, but honestly, I'm probably not gonna reach for this. Maybe I'll give it away to someone. I mean, I did swatch it, but my hands were clean. This would be good for somebody just starting out in makeup and just kind of want to get like a feel for eyeshadow and such. This would be a really nice palette because you have a big array of colors. Yeah. Hold on. What's this? Transform Pearl. Oh, it's just a matte cream? Does this go on top of something? Let me see if there's any information about it. I don't get what that shade is supposed to be because there's another shade that looks just like it. Oh, so you mix your favorite matte with the transforming pearl shade for a sparkle worthy of a standing ovation. All shades can be used wet or dry as shadow or liners. Okay, so there's that. And then this is the bag. So you don't get a bag every month. You get it like every 3 months. But this is a really nice travel bag. It feels really nice too. This is what it looks like. There's a little thing there. Yeah, it's a pretty good size. I wonder, I don't think this palette will fit in here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Nope. No, it doesn't. Just kidding. So the palette does not fit in there, but this is kind of long. But the height wide of it, I don't know. But I do like this bag. I'm kind of a bag junkie. Like, good bags. And that's pretty much it for this. I'm on the fence. I kind of just restarted Ipsy because I knew they were coming out with this Glam Bag Plus. So I'm going to give it maybe a few months, see if I actually start liking it more. If so, I'll keep it. If not, I'm probably going to discontinue it because BoxyCharm is usually much better. The eyeshadow palette is eh. Really the only two things I like for 25 bucks were these two things. And I mean, these were what, like 40 some bucks? Yeah, $45. And like I said, my packaging I think messed this one up. But I have so many brushes, so really the only thing I got out of it was this, which I think is $20. Yeah, which is 20 bucks, and this is 25, so like kind of lost down like 5 bucks. But I'll keep you guys posted, see if I like it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.